What if I told you that the lack of AI governance can lead to a loss of over $1 billion in a single year, and that this is not just a hypothetical scenario, but a harsh reality that many companies are facing today? The truth is, AI governance is no longer a luxury, but a necessity in today's fast-paced technological landscape. In this episode, we will explore the world of AI governance, discussing the importance of regulating AI systems, and providing you with the essential tools and strategies to ensure your AI infrastructure is secure and aligned with your goals. From the basics of AI governance to the latest advancements in the field, we will cover it all so you can make informed decisions about your AI investments. So, let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of AI governance.
Let's start with the basics. What is AI governance, and why is it so crucial in today's AI-driven world? AI governance refers to the set of policies, procedures, and standards that ensure AI systems are developed, deployed, and used in a responsible and transparent manner. It involves establishing clear guidelines and regulations for AI development, deployment, and use, as well as ensuring that AI systems are aligned with human values and goals. Effective AI governance is essential for building trust in AI systems, mitigating risks, and ensuring that AI is used for the betterment of society. In this section, we will delve into the key components of AI governance, including AI strategy, AI risk management, AI compliance, and AI ethics. We will also discuss the role of AI governance in various industries, such as finance, healthcare, and education.
Now, let's talk about the controversy surrounding AI governance. One of the main challenges in implementing AI governance is the lack of standardization and regulation in the AI industry. While some companies are taking proactive steps to establish AI governance frameworks, others are lagging behind, citing concerns about innovation and competitiveness. However, the lack of AI governance can have severe consequences, including data breaches, financial losses, and damage to reputation. In this section, we will explore the pros and cons of AI governance, discussing the benefits of implementing AI governance frameworks, as well as the challenges and limitations. We will also examine the role of regulators and policymakers in shaping the AI governance landscape.
So, what does the future hold for AI governance? As AI continues to evolve and become more pervasive, the need for effective AI governance will only grow. We can expect to see more emphasis on AI governance in the coming years, with a focus on developing standardized frameworks and regulations for AI development and deployment. Additionally, we can expect to see more investment in AI governance tools and technologies, such as AI auditing and testing platforms. In this section, we will explore the future of AI governance, discussing the trends, opportunities, and challenges that lie ahead. We will also examine the role of emerging technologies, such as blockchain and the Internet of Things, in shaping the future of AI governance.
In conclusion, AI governance is a critical component of any AI strategy, and it's essential to get it right. By implementing effective AI governance frameworks, you can ensure that your AI systems are secure, transparent, and aligned with your goals and values. If you want to learn more about AI governance and how to implement it in your organization, be sure to check out our upcoming episodes and blog posts. And if you found this episode informative and helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel as we continue to explore the fascinating world of AI and its applications.